Excuse me, is this seat empty?
Yes, you can sit here.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Are you traveling to Delhi too?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Same here. I'm going there for the first time.
Oh, that's nice. It's a wonderful city.
Boy, really, I've only seen it in pictures.
You'll love it once you visit.
Do you travel by train often?
Not very often, but I enjoy train rides.
Me too. I find it peaceful.
The view from the window is so relaxing.
Look at those green fields.
Wow, they're beautiful.
Do you like nature?
Yes, I love spending time outdoors.
Same here. I often go hiking on weekends.
That's great. I wish I could do that too.
So are you traveling alone?
Yes, I am. What about you?
Yes, me too.
Sometimes solo travel feels peaceful, right?
Absolutely. You get time to think.
Exactly. And you meet new people.
Like we just did.
Yes, exactly.
By the way, what do you do?
I'm a graphic designer. You?
I'm an engineer.
Oh, nice. That sounds technical.
It is, but I enjoy it.
That's important. Loving what you do.
True. Do you like designing?
Yes, I love creating new things.
That's creative.
Thank you.
Are you from Delhi?
No, I'm from Pune.
Oh, Pune is a beautiful city.
Have you been there?
Once for a college fest.
Oh, really? How did you like it?
It was awesome. The food was delicious.
Yes, Pune has amazing food options.
I still remember the vada pav.
That's everyone's favorite.
What's your favorite snack?
I love pani puri.
Ah, that's my favorite too.
Really? We have the same taste.
That's a nice coincidence.
Yes, it is.
So what brings you to Delhi?
I'm visiting my cousins. What about you?
I have a job interview there.
Wow, that's great. Best of luck.
Thank you. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll do great.
I hope so.
Which company is it?
It's a tech startup.
Oh, startups are exciting.
Yes, but also challenging.
True, but that's how you grow.
You're right.
So, what do you like to do in your free time?
I watch movies and travel.
Oh, I love movies too.
Really? What kind of movies do you watch?
Mostly romantic and comedy.
Nice. I like thrillers.
That's interesting. Maybe you can recommend one.
Sure, you should watch Interstellar.
I've heard about it but never watched.
You'll love it. It's mind-blowing.
Okay, I'll watch it soon.
Great, and you can recommend one for me.
Watch Happy New Year.
Oh, I've seen that one. Loved it.
See, we already have good movie taste.
Seems like it.
Do you like reading too?
A little. What about you?
Yes, I read novels sometimes.
That's nice. Any favorite author?
I like Chetan Bhagat's books.
Oh, yes, his stories are quite relatable.
Exactly, simple and fun.
Do you often talk to strangers while traveling?
Not really, but you seem friendly.
Thank you. You seem kind too.
Thanks. This journey feels shorter now.
Yes, talking makes time fly.
That's true, it's almost evening already.
Wow, we're reaching soon.
Yes, the trip went by so fast.
I'm glad we met on this train.
Me too, it was a lovely conversation.